Now we are going to see about the timer instruction in the simulation for the simulation software. Now we are going to create a new ladder program by using the non-zero open and non-zero close contact and the coil symbol. Now we are using the start button for the start contact. It is a exit contact. Also, you have to use the auxiliary contact. For continuing operations, you have to use the control relay auxiliary contact. This is not the open contact. See, where to the start button. The next one, we are using the input. The next one is the non-open contact of control relay. Here we are using the timer instruction. Timer instruction. The next step we are using the timer instruction. It mentions as T. We are using the timer instruction. Mentioned as timer 1. The next one we are using the timer time delay contact. You have to put the T for time delay contact. Already we are using the timer 1 contact. Now we are going to use the on delay timer. Already we have discussed about the on delay and off delay timer. Now we are using the on delay timer here. For the timer you have to choose the preset time delay. Here some of the base timings used here, the second and millisecond, minute, second, time and minute. Now we are using the first time base, the second and millisecond. Here we are using the 5 seconds. This is 5 seconds. We are mentioning here setting 5 seconds. The output coil. Any lamp or motor here is here. That is a Q CPU unit output relay. We are mentioning as lamp 1 or any lamp. This is the output. Now we are using the time delay. Is the 5 seconds. When you are pressing the input to the control relay contact, it immediately energizes that control relay and changes that contacts CR1, CR2. After that, timer coil will energize and takes the 5 seconds to close this contact. These are the timer instruction program. We are going to see about the simulations. Now we have to check the number of input and output. There is a start button and stop button. The output only one output. Here